Hey YouTubers, it's Vonse coming at you with an update on my hair. It's been a week and 3 days since I got my coils in for my locks. It's been a month and 2 days since I did the BC, the big chop. So I'm coming along here. I just wanted to get on and update you guys on how my hair looks at 1 week coil, or 1 week fetus locked, I guess you could say. It's getting frizzy now. It's been the longest week of my life. I did not realize how much I mess in my hair. Every day I'm like twisting, I'm messing with it. I am obsessed. This is ridiculous. But I'll get through it okay. Last night I almost washed my hair. I got in the bathtub and I was like almost submerged my head in the water like, man, I want an afro. So here I go with the back and forth, and I guess that's why they call this a journey, because every day I'm changing my mind. I'm really tripping, but I kind of like the challenge. I know it's really, really, really early in the game, but I'll get there. People have bets out on me right now, my friends. They're like, she's not going to do it. So they have wagers going. I don't want them to win, really. The ones who are betting against me, I don't want them to win. But more importantly, I really want locks, and, you know, I know I have to go through this process. So I'm just wondering what you guys do, like when it gets like really, really bad. When it starts frizzing and matting and it's like really, really fluffy. I know some people wear wigs, some people wear wraps and head scarves and things of that nature. I'm just wondering if anybody wants to let me know what you guys do. I'm thinking about maybe wearing a few lace front wigs when it gets like really bad, if I have somewhere to go with my husband or something. I don't know. Anyway, any tips or tricks, anything you guys may suggest, I really appreciate. And again, here's my update. I guess it doesn't look too different from how it did a week ago when I got on here, but anyway, this is week 1 of my locks. Thanks, guys.